In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photo black and white in Luminar Neo. If you've ever wanted to give your images a timeless, classic look, transforming them into black and white might be just the answer. This process is quite simple and can significantly enhance the mood and focus of your photographs. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. This is your gate to unleashing the potential of your photos. Once Luminar Neo is up and running, you'll need to choose the image you want to work with. Head over to the Catalog tab. Here, you can browse through your list of images and select the one you want by simply clicking on it. Alternatively, if your image isn't in the library yet, you can click on Add Photos and select it right from your computer. Once your photo is ready, make sure you navigate to the Edit module. This is where all the magic happens. Now, in the Edit module, you'll want to look out for the Black and White tool, conveniently tucked away in the Essentials section. This tool will become your best friend for the next few minutes. Once you spot it, give it a click. You'll notice a Convert to B&W button right there. Click this to instantly transform your vibrant photo into a black and white masterpiece. This change alone can drastically modify the atmosphere of your image, but we're not done yet. Take a close look at the sliders available: red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. These sliders are crucial for fine-tuning your image's look. By moving a slider to the right, you're actually brightening that specific color channel in your black and white image. Conversely, dragging it to the left darkens it. This feature allows for intricate adjustments, helping to bring out various elements in your photo or push them back into shadow, adding depth and contrast. As you adjust these sliders, a handy tip is to press and hold the / key on your keyboard. This temporarily shows the original color version of your photo. Seeing the original can be invaluable in understanding how different adjustments affect the black and white result. It provides a reference point, enabling you to make informed choices about your sliders and the overall tonality of your final image. There you have it. By following these steps, you can transform your photos into striking black and white compositions reminiscent of classic photography. Feel free to experiment and find the balance that best suits your artistic vision. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it opens up new creative avenues for your photography. Enjoy turning the ordinary into the extraordinary with Luminar Neo.